Conrad ke sangma haba ajingkran haga jingidon lang kasngi lekmen bedin klam jongka Raij Mukhla ulaong bana kaliang ka sorkar kanyele ban kentiu ne itho dak ba penlong ki program ba pher ni wan ra ki skim Iarap banchna penbha ya ki jaka baju penlong ya ki jing lekmen badai si benta kariti dostor ha kani kathan haga jo kepor Menteri rangba ula Kular ru ban penyo Iarap Pisa na kabenta ban sna penbahane Maramot Iaka Iung Lyngdoh ka Raij Mukhla.
In this manner, and therefore today it gives me extreme pleasure and joy and happiness to be here amongst all of you, to be able to celebrate the Wedding Club Festival, to be here to celebrate our culture, to celebrate the faith and to celebrate the identity of the people of our state. As a government, we have always believed that we must always support and promote the culture, the heritage and the identity of the people of our state. Through many programs and many schemes, in the past 4.5 years, we have been giving financial assistance in terms of running expenditure, as well as to improve the overall infrastructure for the celebration of these kind of festivals of the people of our state. Just this morning, I had been taken by the Raij Mukhla President and others to see the Iung that is right on top of this Shillong, and they requested that financial assistance be given to renovate the place. And hence I am happy to announce that along with the Honorable MLA, Mawalat Shillong, we will ensure that this place is renovated and necessary funds will be given to improve and to renovate this place of worship. At the same time, the Honorable MLA has also informed me that there has to be some investment in the infrastructure in this area also, including a tourism project that was done many years back but is lying unutilized. I want to assure him and the people of this area that all the necessary funds and projects that need to be taken up, either through the central scheme of Swadesh Darshan or through the state scheme, the support of the government will be there in order to renovate and improve the overall infrastructure, not just in this place, but in all the other places where such kind of infrastructure is required to ensure that such kind of celebration continues.